Good morning, my name is Aditi Lakshkar and she is my project partner, and my name is Sakshi Khangarur. As you know, road accidents are major cause of head injuries, financial loss, physical trauma and vehicle damage, etc. So today we are talking about our project Smart Helmet to prevent from accident. On this major problem happen to us in our daily life. As you know, present helmet only protect the head physically but lack smart features. So these helmet have intelligent safety to prevent from road accident and help during emergencies. So if we talk about its feature, there is a sensor inside the helmet to check whether the rider is wearing it or not. If rider is not wearing the helmet, the bike will not be able to start. Secondly, it has a alcohol detector which detects alcohol. So if a person consuming a alcohol, the buzzer started makes the sound alert and the bike will not start. And the third one is GPS, which detect accident and immediately send live location to register mobile numbers like police, ambulance, and parents. And fourth is GSM, which send SMS and calls to register mobile numbers, and the SMS be like accident detected. Please check immediately. If someone consume alcohol and the accident caused due to the alcohol, it also send message to the registered number that our accident occurred due to alcohol consumption. And the last one is LED lights to provide better visibility during night rides. Thank you.